No nonsense. Just talk about what makeup is easy to use without stepping on thunder. First, before makeup. How many times have you taken this colored candy? Essence spray is easy to use. Then this Borame water light spray. After putting on makeup, use it as a setting spray. Spray all over the face. Shake well and spray. It's all with Essence. Red Earth sticker. It works really well. I use it myself. And Borame setting spray is cheap and easy to use. Is this the packaging? He can really set the makeup for a long time. No problem all day. Then use this for summer makeup primer. This is a large bottle. Then this is the amount of the small bottle. Is the size different? Then just choose according to your choice. Summer is not greasy and refreshing. Han Chaini's makeup primer is also fine. Water can be used before makeup in summer. Just this layer before makeup. Don't mess around. And then this is exfoliating. You can use any foundation on your face. Hurry up and take this. Go and rub it first. Go to makeup. Then plain cream. It's summer. You show your neck and arms, even if you apply plain cream after applying foundation. This is easy to use. Unique Love, your bonus. Balls Tiny and Frost. You can use this again in autumn and winter. Is it oily now? It works. Very easy to use. Sometimes the face dries easily. It's okay to use it. There is also a bubble spray moisturizing. This Obedient one is also very easy to use, and it is also before makeup. Then the liquid foundation is easy to use. Proud liquid foundation. The powder feels weak, can cover and hold fashion. This is the makeup series, just this original bottle. I think it's very easy to use in this packaging. Just this Morning Mist makeup foundation. Very easy to use, very easy to use, very easy to use. Not at all. Heavy, and then if you are flawed, it is particularly bad. You can use this. The skin has it. If there are some flaws that need to be covered up, this is very affordable. It's really affordable and easy to use. Very affordable and easy to use. I said this, I'm about to say it. I'm bald. The mouth is so useful. They are all defective skins. Use this, then the big names are very easy to use. If there is a flaw, can you use this for dry and oily skin? This is the super square bottle there. Then you want a loose powder with a transparent makeup feel. This faded one. This is the honey powder that fades. Transparent white is easy to use. It's powdery and fine. It is really easier to use than many big brands and hundreds of them. And then there is this. He has no powder feel. It's almost exactly the same as that one. He has nothing. Powder and then set makeup for a whole day. It is very durable and easy to use. It really works well. It's Daisy's eyeshadow. Is this the color number? You can take this color number yourself. It looks good and works well. 27 is very useful. And then there's this eyeshadow character. There he is. Mary Deja's is very easy to use. Low-cost box color scheme special advanced. Then if you want brimbling powder. This is a pink swan. Small image quality pink swan is very easy to use. Flower Branch pats his eyeshadow and doesn't guess anything. Just enter with confidence. Lip moisturizing if you don't want to buy too expensive. You can search for this yourself. This is a very affordable and useful lip moisturizer. Isolation before makeup. Is this easy to use? This is from Mike-Fi. Almost out of blue. Some yellow gas that can transfer to the skin. Then recently, I used another color picker. Can also go to the gold of the skin. All work well. because some of them are very difficult to use. Is purple isolation used? My face is fake white. Both will do, one is cheap and the other is expensive. See for yourself. Then evaluated the blush blessing haul. 666 is this color number. The blush cream is a minimum guarantee box with water light sensitivity. Then the low guarantee box doesn't like watery light, so use this. Suitable for the old 06. Suitable for the old. Then I also like the minimum guarantee box, which is good in Korea. This color of Korea. Intercept it yourself. ST002 should be this color number. Special saturated eyeshadow blush plate instead. Easy to use. And small eyeshadow. This is eyeliner, no, 97. This is no, 97. Specially used for eyeliner. Soft and glutinous like mashed potatoes. Concealer Hourglass it may have. Cotton Piaugui. It was more than 200 during the event, but it was so easy to use. The one that can replace foundation. There are many blemishes on the face. No amount of liquid foundation feels powdery. You can take a screenshot of the color number yourself. It's very clear. Take a screenshot. It's okay to eat. Then this is a little expensive. But it works. It's color 21 with that pearlescent glitter. It works well because its packaging is very textured. Use it to feel. Just concealer. Many sisters asked what color number 01. Yunjing returns to reality. It's easy to use. Is it the primary color Poker? This concealer in his house is so good. You don't have to choose anything else. Just this one. Recently, there is also a specially evaluated eyeshadow called Cross. It looks like this, then this color number. Its earth tones are very practical and beautiful. Then there are light to dark colors. It seems to be in the 30s or in the 40s. It's pretty affordable anyway. Then lipstick words like Carmella. Carmella's is this brand. There are many series in his house. You can choose by yourself. There is that kind of minimum guarantee box color. And now, there is this mirror color system. It's all the color scheme of the low maintenance box. Then the color won't step on thunder and you'll be busy. Then enough for other families. I only have 2 of this craft paper. This is especially easy to use the color of this craft paper. This Jiling. You can't go wrong with this color matching. It's just that the price is a little expensive, but it's easy to use. It's okay to use it for yourself. Then there is the Black Rabbit. The Black Rabbit is really good. I broke everything from nude to mirror. If it is a mirror surface, it will be powder lactite wheat wave chrysanthemum or nude 001. These are the colors. You can choose blindly. And then this also works well. This is 04 Pinecone Naked Brown. It's a very high-end low-cost box. I prefer the naked brown one. Then the branches grow. If you are a person who likes cute flower branches very much. The lip glaze in his house is also very beautiful. The packaging is really exquisite and exquisite. Then this color. Earl Rabbit. This color is very beautiful, often used. Then JC's concealer at his house. It's also the kind that doesn't feel pink. Then it can cover and moisturize. By the way, there is also a brush. Just this brush I use a lot. I've been cushioning it for years. Just this mini blade brush, he is very small. Smaller than many blade brushes. Eyeliner, lower limbs, lying down. Even silkworms can use it. It's very affordable. It seems to be 9 yuan 9. It is very easy to use. And the wool quality is very easy to use. The kind that hasn't broken for years. I'm a brush bag Langyan. That he can stand up, can drip up. It is very convenient to be a small bag. Then tell me if you want to see something. I'll go to Amway for you.